Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Big challenge for the people in Meghalaya-Assam border. CM witnessed Grand Bedding Club Festival at Mukla, West Janta Hills. RR Makdo jumps ship from NPP to UDP. And Ribhoi Dorbar says no for casino in Jorabad. Another news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while interacting with media persons on August 23rd, said that for the government of Meghalaya and the people living in the fringe of Meghalaya-Assam border is a challenge to solve the problem of making a choice. He said, according to the 2011 reports, many villages were shown in the map that fall in Assam. He said to change this is a big challenge. Memorandum of Understanding has already been signed and there is no chance of going back, he said. However, he said that he will discuss with his counterpart when the second phase of discussion begins, he concluded.
And the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now, but of course the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward. And in the meantime, we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified, all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on August 23rd attended and witnessed Bedding Club at Mukla, West Janta Hills. Extending his greetings to the people on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that it was a great pleasure to be a part of the Grand Bedding Club Festival that was being held after a hiatus of 2 years because of the pandemic. It gives me great joy to be a part of this festival that celebrates our culture, faith, and identity of the state, and as a government we have always believed that we must support and promote the culture, heritage, and identity of the people through many programs and schemes, he said. He also added that the government has always assisted the people for holding such festivals and also funded to improve infrastructures where such cultural festivals are held. The Chief Minister also assured of financial help to renovate the infrastructures at Sainraj Mukla to ensure that the Bedding Club Festival continues, thus preserving traditional practices and also to attract more people and tourists to the festival, he said. Among others who witnessed the Grand Festival were Sosthenes Sotun, MLA Jirang, and Wailat Miki Shilla, MLA Joai, besides members from the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council. Shri RR Makdo, Senior National People's Party Vice President from Umsning constituency, dealt a heavy blow to the chance of victory from Umsning constituency for this party when he announced his decision to jump ship to the United Democratic Party. Shri Makdo was a former Chief Executive Member and Chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council for not less than 5 terms. In a statement, Shri Makdo said that in the coming state elections 2023, he saw that the only viable regional party to come into power to form the new government in the state is the UDP. He did not spell out his mind whether he will contest or not in the coming elections.
Tekiru kipanpau kata kajing sultanat bangan rong hangta tamba habang padrong tengah patnut hiru pendong ba mo kipriang ne te kanam simpor slam kiperlong ba sisngi asngi atrai kan ap hikapor kan wan hikapor ya kebangan sarung sakwe kepat keperti banlong unong kersian ya kata keperti bat bakan ngan kermen ba kata keperti dengan sarung lakade ke UDP kebakan de ke UDP hi kan ai ke jing sakri menyerap ikaban kersian makan nang la ban ai ke jing sakri ke ba bah kaneka snem giban one.
The Conglomeration of Village and Locality Committees of Ribhoi District, known as Ribhoi Dorbar, on August 23rd, have issued a statement that as the citizens of the whole district have expressed their views that they strongly oppose the establishment of casino gambling den in Jorabad, which falls in the jurisdiction of this district, leaders of Ribhoi Dorbar too followed in the same line to oppose the decision of the state government. It may be recalled that Numerous social, cultural organizations, NGOs, students, bodies, church leaders, political leaders, academia and enlightened citizens groups have vehemently opposed the plan and policy of the MDA government to set up casino hub in Ribhoi district. It appears for reasons known only to the leadership of NPP that leads to the MDA government insisted by all means to start the gambling den in Jorabad in Ribhoi district. The main fear and apprehension of the people of Meghalaya in general and Ribhoi district in particular that the existence of gambling den in the area will disintegrate the moral character of innocent population, particularly the youth.
Dena kata kata nga kumbal kersian ya ke ba u advisor ngi ulaong maka kham khrau ka jing jot ban ya ka jing multoy ya ka sarkar ka de man hap pej bahaya ka ne habangi pej ya ke revenue ka bag ka de ban bag sarkar ka de ban lum ko kum kita kisin ki mangiau i ka bang ya keren barok u deu yong bar kiwe ki jing yo ngi i kumba tang nang tang kalapiang ladang ngim don kamsyo bandau yo ya kita ki kasino Hindi habang ipay ika sarkar ya kini ki khajana ki badeban yo sibun kila su light lut sarut haba light lut sarut ban pendap ia kata ka pelapisa jong ka sarkar da ka ban bu no da ka jaka halai kalong ke ba matam ya ka jela ka jongi kamtam ya ka district ka jongi hang ni.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.